Hello and welcome to CES Grammar Spot. Today we'll be looking at the homophones your and your. A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same way that has a different meaning. So as we can see here, your and your are almost exactly the same in pronunciation. Now this homophone that we see here often causes trouble for students who are learning English, but it also causes problems for native English speakers because they sound so similar. Now, if we look at the word your is a word that shows possession, that something is mine or yours. So for example, your smile is beautiful. Why, thank you. Now here, your is not the same word. Your is a contraction of the two words you are. So these two words mean the same thing, your and you are. So if I wanted to make a sentence, I could say, you are beautiful. You're beautiful. When you're speaking, the difference in the pronunciation is very small. So it doesn't really matter. But when you're writing, you have to be careful. So here's a tip. When you're writing, if you can change the words you are for the word you want to use, your or your, then you know you're using this word correctly. For example, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. If I said, your grandmother is beautiful, you are grandmother is beautiful, that's not right. So I know that I have to use your for possession in this sentence. That's all for today. I hope you feel comfortable using these two homophones in the future. Have fun studying English. Bye!